Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan from CellPro Repair Solutions here. I've got a S9 or Samsung S9 and I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the Bixby volume up and off on button. Here we go. Anyways, you want to apply a little bit of heat to this guy here just so you don't damage it. This guy's the harder of the two to get up. So you want to start by removing the sort of the inside button here. The bracket rather. Like this guy's coming off. Oop. Okay, I got stuck a little bit. Oh, and they both come off. Came off actually. Usually it's not that easy. Usually you have to get the inside one off too. Now you can see in here there's the little orange things. You just want to press on that until it clicks. Click. With the clicking noise, and out it comes. Click, and out it comes. So there we go. Now we're going to do this one. Again, heat it up a bit. Using about 150 degrees. Get under there. Do the inside first. That one's off. Now we're going to do the outside one. Comes off really easily. Click on it. Bob's your uncle.